What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can read Snapchat messages without them knowing. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up your Snapchat app, then you have to go to the chat option. So after doing so, you have to select the person's chat to read their messages without them knowing. So what you need to do, this is do this in carefully guys. You have to scroll their profile, not their messages, just like this. If you scroll right, that you can see their map, the map will be opening. So to do see their messages, you have to scroll the profile picture just like this. If you scroll the profile, I'm going to show you. Scroll just like this in the right option, right side. You can see their messages. Okay, just like this. You can see their messages. Then you have to put it off. So if you turn it just like this and you release it, the message will be opened and they will be no. So make sure you are careful to doing so. You can see just like this, you can see their messages without seeing. So this is the only way and the easiest way guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.